Although Cyngn has barely left the warehouse start line in its marathon to reach commercial scale, it's starting to see a clear surge in demand. Cyngn tripled bookings in 2025, and management expects Q1 2026 bookings to surpass all of 2025, pointing to a sharp turning point in adoption. This growth is largely driven by existing enterprise and Fortune 100 customers expanding deployments. What typically begins as a single automated route is now evolving into multi-vehicle, multi-workflow rollouts across facilities, a trend that points to repeatability. Cyngn also set a record for customer expansion, with management noting that once deployed, customers consistently want more units. Commercial traction is broadening across industries. Cyngn added deployments with G&J Pepsi & Coats, expanded into agriculture via Chandler Automation, and continues to move into manufacturing environments, including work tied to major industrial players. Autonomous usage is rising quickly, with operating time more than doubling in the second half of 2025, reflecting a shift from pilot programs to full production use. On the technology side, Cyngn is strengthening its competitive positioning through deeper integration with NVIDIA. Its use of NVIDIA Isaac Sim enables high-fidelity simulation of vehicle dynamics, allowing it to test and validate autonomous systems in virtual environments before real-world deployment. Simulation is now core to improving safety, reducing risk, and accelerating rollout timelines. This capability is particularly important for its expanding autonomous forklift program, including a previously announced large pre-order. Being featured by NVIDIA also signals industry validation of Cyngn's technical progress. Cyngn is also building a stronger intellectual property moat, with a newly issued patent bringing its total to 24 U.S. patents. In keeping with Cyngn's strategy of offering vehicle-agnostic autonomy. Its technology focuses on real-time, adaptive vehicle modeling that allows autonomy to function across different vehicle types without redesign. An increasingly vital part of long-term scalability and a key differentiator as industrial automation becomes increasingly software-driven. Financially, results remain modest but show some improvement. 2025 revenue was $219,000, down from $368,000, due to Cyngn's model of recognizing revenue over time rather than at booking. However, net loss narrowed to $23.5 million from $33.3 million, despite $25.9 million in total expenses, driven by continued investment in R&D and growth. The balance sheet strengthened, with $34.7 million in cash, no debt, and positive equity of $38.8 million. A $9.65 million capital raise in early 2026 extended runway to 2028 and supports future expansion. Moving along, focus is directed at scaling deployments, converting strong booking momentum into revenue, and expanding across industries. With growing customer adoption, validated use cases, advancing simulation capabilities, and a strengthening IP portfolio, Cyngn is positioning 2026 as a transition year toward broader commercialization of its autonomous industrial vehicle platform.